What's up? DailyOC. What it do? What it do? In case you couldn't tell, that was the spaceship being transported on top of a jet, or on top of an airplane with two jets following it. I know it's a little blurry, but I had to freaking hop out of my bed to film it. I heard it going overhead, and I'm like, no, my grandma told me about this. I need to film it. So at least I got a little glimpse of it. It's pretty cool. Good afternoon, everybody. Exciting day, exciting day. I'm going over to my grandma's house to pick up my roommate again. Maybe go say hi to the turtle or something. I don't know. Turtle, 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 turtle.
Back there?
Yeah.
Pick him up.
He looks happy where he's at. Hey, Rufus. Some man burgers right there.
Fuck yeah, they are.
Courtesy of Matt. He's cooking us some man burgers with a pastrami on
We're gonna
top.
have some bomb ass pastrami. Motherfucking pastrami on pastrami.
Oh, it looks so good.
We'll be in the fridge. Bomb.
Compare that-
Goddamn fucking
compare that
pastrami
to my
fucking
fist.
burger.
Yeah.
Motherfucking 50-50.
I think it's time for me to go into my burger coma. That was like the most disgusting thing I've eaten in probably my entire life. It was a one pound burger patty with pastrami on top. It was delicious. Delicious, but freaking disgusting. Comment question of the day. Did you guys see the space shuttle flying by? Let me know. It's pretty cool to see that. See you all tomorrow. Peace. What's up?
DailyOC.
What's up? What's up?
Every day. DailyOC.
Got the OC swag on right now.
DailyOC.
Cause he vlogging every day.
DailyOC.